You know the flags of all countries, but you're not able to design them on a cube. In this tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to design flags on a cube. So first we'll start with the flags of Asia. So for Asia, we have first selected the Afghanistan flag, and the Afghanistan flag have black color. So I don't have the black color, so I cannot design the Afghanistan's flag on my cube. So the next flag we have is the Armenia's flag. So Armenia's flag looks like this. You have to hold the red in front, and you have to bring the blue in the middle layer like that. You have brought the blue in the middle layer, and you need the yellow in the last layer. You just require some problems in that. Yes, I brought that like that. You just turn the cube anyway without disturbing these two layers. And this is the flag of Armenia. Yes, the next flag we have is of Azerbaijan, and the Azerbaijan flags, for that we have to hold the blue in front, and the next layer we have to bring the red in the like that, and in the bottom layer we will have the green, and in the middle we have to have a white piece, and we will try to bring the white piece. Please wait. First we turn the second layer like that, bring this up, and along with that we have done that. So let us unscramble the cube. uh, yeah, I have done with. So next we have selected the Bangladesh flag. Bangladesh flag will have the entire green in front and a red dot in the center. So we bring a red dot in the center like that we bring, right? So let us bring a red dot. So we do this algorithm, and it is brought. A red dot is brought in the middle. So the next flag we have, first let me just solve this one. And the next flag we have is of the Cambodia. Cambodian flag will have the blue in front and red in the middle. Yes, we have brought the red in the middle, and a white should be there in the center. So where is the white? Here is the white. So we bring this here, bring the white down for the center, and this is the flag of Cambodia. So we solve the cube. Yes, we have solved the cube. The next flag we have is the India. You know this flag, how to do this. I made one video. There is a video in my channel how to make the Indian flag. And actually, it is very easy. And actually, it is very easy for us to solve it. For that, we need the blue in front. Bring the orange, then bring the green, then just to get the white here, again get the white, and we have this Ashok Chakra that we have in our Indian flag. If you are Indians, you will know it. And so let us solve this cube. Okay, the next flag after India we have the Iran's flag. For the Iran's flag, we have to hold the red in front, red color in front. We have to bring the green here. Red will be in the bottom, and white will be there. Yeah, white will be there in these two, and this will be red only, the centerpiece. So as the Indian flag, we will also do it as the same way, and this is the flag of the country Iran. So we now again solve this cube because the patterns are made on a solved cube. Now we have the flag of Iraq. Iraq's flag. For that we have to hold the green color in front, and and okay. So we have to skip the Iraq's flag because there is a black color. We cannot make the black color, but if you have a black cube you can make it. Some cubes have black colors instead of white, and in that cubes you can do the Iraq's or Afghanistan's pattern. Okay, so now let's Japan flag. Japan flag consists of the white in full, and over in the center will be red. So let us do that. We bring the white down here and here. Only 3 moves, and that is solved. That is made Japan flag patterns. And now there's a Kazakhstan flag button. For that we have to hold the no, hold the yellow in the front and in the sorry the red in the front, and we have to get the yellow. And so we max it like that. That looks less the same as Japan's pattern, just the colors will be different. There is not a problem in solving the cube. There will not be a problem, so that is made. So let us make a flag of Laos. For that we have to make the white in front, and top will be red, bottom will be red, and the this will be white. So let us change the positions because we need the blue also, like that. uh, yeah, we have the blue now. This is the flag of Laos. So now let's make the flag of Lebanon. Is it? Yes, Lebanon. Let us make it. For that we have to hold the green in front. Yes, it's green. The red in the top and in the bottom. And we have to make this white. These two pieces we should be white. And the flag of Lebanon is made. This is actually a green tree in the Lebanon's flag. If you check a map book, you will get this. If you check a map book, you will get this. For that, you need to buy a map books. So now let's the flag of Mongolia. Mongolian flag. For that, we have to hold a blue in the front. The Mongolian flag, I think it will not be made because the blue and the red are adjoining colors. Yes, Mongolia flag. We have to skip it now. Then let us head to the Russian flag. Russian flag will get us this one. You have to hold the white in the front and the blue. Okay, so the blue will be in the between. So like that we will bring the blue. We bring the blue like that. These are done. We now bring this down and we get this blue here, and the bottom will be of red color. This we have got the red, and this we get it like that. We have got it. So let us now don't worry if you cannot follow. You can just get the algorithms in description box. I will provide this in the description box. Yeah, no, we just made the Russian flag. So the next we have the Syrian flag, Syria's flag, and this is a black color. So we cannot make this. We have to skip this now. And then Tajikistan's flag. We can make this. So for that we have to get the yellow in the front. The red should be in the top. Hmm. But it is, I think it will be impossible because it will not be impossible actually. So let us hold the red in front only. If you hold the red in front also, there will be no problem. Mm, okay, I think the Tajikistan's flag will not be made because all the colors, that is these four colors we have, yellow, green, red and white, these are all adjoining colors. These do not have this. Okay, so we have to skip. It's now the Vietnam's flag. We have to get the red, and in the center there will be a yellow colored star, so that will make a center. So we get the yellow centerpiece there, like that. Yes, it is very easy, like, yeah, very easy. So the next flag we have of Europe. Yes, now heads to the Europe. Europe's flag. The first flag will be of Austria. It is very easy to make the Austrian flag. You have to hold the red in top. This will be red, and the center will be white. Hold the red in front. You just do this like the Indian flag only. Many flag have the same patterns as the Indian flag. Yes, this is Austrian flag. Okay, I think it's fine going. Yes, I'm the Austrian flag. Now we head to the flag of Bulgaria. Bulgarian flag will have the red in the white in the front. Let's bring the green. What is the green here? So we will have the green in the middle, like that, and we have the green in the centerpiece will also be green. We remove this, and then and in the bottom layer there will be a red. There will be a red. So we bring this. Just take this corner. I also do this, and then this is done. This is the flag of Bulgaria. Next we have the flag of France. For France, we have to hold a white here. This will go down. This will move like and will go. Oh, sorry. Actually, something else has happened. Yeah, like that we have it. This is having the here is the red, but we are now actually at this moment we are not having this red. So let us bring this. I have brought this. Yes, now done. This is done. So believe on me, it will be done. So it's solved. The France pattern is done. Now let us go to the Hungarian flag pattern. We have to hold the white in here and the red required in the top and the green required at the bottom. Green we can be brought like that only, and the red in the top is required, so we can do it like that. Yes, it is done. It will be done. It will be done. Yeah, the next one we're just now done with the Hungary flag pattern, now the Ireland flag pattern. So we have it like that. The green is there and orange has come like that, and the green, no green though, yes, no green. Yeah, this is one, and we have done with that also. This is the flag pattern of Ireland flag pattern is done. So yes, the next one is of Italy and France. Ireland's flag pattern is same, nearly same. You can do it at home only. I'm not showing it. So Latvia, the next is Latvia. So for Latvia, we have to hold a white in front, red. Latvia flag pattern is made. This is the flag pattern of Latvia. The next we have is Lithuania. Lithuania flag pattern. You have to hold in this one green in front, red in the bottom, and in the top layer there should be yellow. So for yellow we uh, do this in the below and it is done. So we bring this up. Yes, these are very easy patterns actually. Luxembourg. So for Luxembourg, we have to hold the blue. No, sorry, no, sorry, not the blue. We have to hold. Yes, the red top, and the blue in the middle. And here we have this. The this one is required. Centerpiece and done. Right? Very easy, very easy. So we bring this up, we then and done. So Luxembourg is done. The next flag pattern is Netherlands flag pattern is same as Luxembourg, absolutely same. The Luxembourg have the blue color, light blue in the bottom, and Netherlands have a dark blue in the bottom. So we have only one blue only, so we will do it as the same only. So Romania, the next is Romania flag have this, and this color is required. Yes, we have done with this, right? So we have made that Netherlands, Romania. The next we have, okay, so the Europe part is done. So on some other video I will show you how to make the flags of Africa, the Americas, and Australia. Okay, so thank you. Please subscribe the channel if you want more cube related videos, and like the video if you have are successful in solving the patterns. Thank you. Bye. Meet you in my next tutorial. Take care. Bye. Goodbye.